Have you ever wondered why India is called a land of wisdom, spirituality and beauty? Today we will understand the beautiful patriotic poem Bharat Our Land from the new Class 9 English book Kaveri. It is written by the poet Subramania Bharati. He was a great nationalist Tamil poet who inspired Indians during the freedom struggle. His poems filled people with pride and love for the country. He wrote many patriotic poems during British rule. He was called Mahakavi Bharati. He promoted nationalism, unity and women's empowerment. The poet begins by praising the mighty Himalayas, or Himavant. That is the greatest mountain and belongs to us. No other mountain in the world is like it. It talks about how India is blessed with natural beauty. The poet praises our river Ganga. Here, the Ganga is described as sacred, life-giving, and generous. It symbolizes purity and spirituality. No other river is as graceful and majestic as the river Ganga. The poet praises our holy Upanishads. He is praising India as the land of spiritual knowledge. The poet says the greatest knowledge and philosophy came from India. He calls the land as sunny golden land, which means India is bright, beautiful, prosperous and full of warmth. The word golden suggests richness, glory and greatness. He calls Bharat as peerless, which means unmatched. No country is like her. We should admire, respect, and feel proud of our country. India is the land of brave and courageous warriors. And the wise saints and holy thinkers have made the land divine. The poet shows that India is not only beautiful, but also brave, wise, and sacred. The music of Bharat is divine. It means that our land has cultural richness and traditions. He says all auspicious and blessed things are found in Bharat. The poet also says that deep spiritual knowledge, which he terms as Brahma knowledge, began and developed in India. Lord Buddha taught his message of peace and truth in the form of Dhamma in Bharat. Lastly, the poet says that out of all the ancient civilizations, India is one, and she is unmatched and unparalleled. So we should feel proud and admire our land Bharat.